Hello, I'm Met Service meteorologist Lisa Murray and I'm here with your severe weather update. Now, we have upgraded those watch areas from yesterday to a warning as that low approaches from the Tasman Sea. Heavy rain to those western areas, also into the Ranges and Marlborough Sounds as well. And it will cross the North Island then into Wednesday and Thursday. The heaviest falls in concern into the Bay of Plenty and Taupo region. And then as the low wraps around, affecting coastal Otago, and also a watch there for those areas in Southland and Clutha. That's areas that don't quite meet the warning criteria of 100 millimetres in 24 hours, but they could be close, they could be upgraded. There's certainly significant rainfall there. So let's have a look at these rainfall amounts. These are just the warning amounts that we're talking about here, the warning areas. So from 9 a.m. Tuesday in 21 hours, 100 to 140 millimetres expected in Buller and Westland. Northwest Nelson, this is mainly in the Ranges, but you could see some spillover there. 150 to 200 millimetres in the 18 hours from 4 p.m. Marlborough Sounds and the Ranges there, 80 to 100 in the 18 hours from 8 p.m. Tuesday. Now, from noon Wednesday, Auckland and Coromandel up to 100 millimetres in 18 hours there. And for Bay of Plenty and Taupo, this is the area of most concern, 200 to 250 millimetres in 48 hours, because the rainfall just continues to flow into that region and it sort of stalls there. They could get some heavy falls as well. We have a thunderstorm watch out for areas, if you think of a line from Taranaki all the way up to the Bay of Plenty. Everywhere north of there is a possibility you could get caught in a downpour, and those downpours could be up to 40 millimetres in 1 hour. So expect surface flooding, expect rivers and streams to rise rapidly, expect landslips and things like that. So do take care out there. Eastern Otago in that wraparound up to 120 in 27 hours, and that's from 3 a.m. Wednesday. So what is bringing this? Well, it's the low in from the Tasman Sea and the associated fronts pushing across New Zealand, and they will stall in this area and just feed more moisture in. So good accumulations right across the board there. Everywhere we'll probably see some rain at some stage. Now, we also have the added complication. This is the track of Tropical Cyclone Cook. Now, as that moves past 25 south, that moves into Met Service's area of responsibility as the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre. So as this moves down, it will transition into a mid-latitude low. It doesn't mean that there won't be heavy rain and strong winds associated with it. In fact, if this track follows what the models are thinking at the moment, but they are notoriously bad for changing tracks, hard to forecast. But at the moment, it's tracking down through the Bay of Plenty and across into Hawke's Bay before moving away. If it does this, we can expect this rainfall event to extend for another day. Some more heavy falls, thunderstorms as well. We'll have strong winds, really strong winds as it wraps around that low. And we can also expect to see some storm surge. There is swell into that Bay of Plenty, right from Northland all the way through those northern facing areas. We can see swells of 5 to 6 metres. On top of that, we also have some wind, so we can expect the combined waves to be even higher. It is really important to stay up to date with the latest watches and warnings at metservice.com, and do consider your travel arrangements if you're heading out for the Easter break.